Has this ever happened to you, like when you were trying to create some documents or content for your marketing and you have an idea of an image that you want to see, but you're scouring the internet, you're searching on Google, you're looking through photo stock imagery, and you just can't seem to find what you're looking for. And you're like, oh, if only I can just write out what it is that I need and something can create it for me. Well, that is what Canva's new Dream Lab, specifically their created image feature, can do. And even though I use ChatGPT to create images for me, I find that when I go inside of the Canva Dream Lab, specifically the image creator, I can get AI to come really close to the image that I had in my mind. So since I myself am in need of creating a custom image, I thought, why not take you along and dive into Canva to show you how you can use the new Dream Lab create an image feature to create the images that are in your brain, and AI can actually bring them to life for you. By no means is it perfect, but I find that it's a really fun and creative process. So if you want to see what this new function inside of Canva can do and how it can help you create images and graphics and things like that for your digital marketing business, then let's go into Canva and let me show you what I'm going to create for my own course. So let's dive in. All right, so here I am inside of Canva, and as you can see, I create a lot of graphics, content, ebooks, PDFs, all the things for my business. And when I saw this make me an image, I was like, oh, let me check that out. So all you have to do is go to Canva and go to make me an image, and you can see some of the cool things that I have created here. Now, it is definitely a process of trial and error because sometimes it's going to create something really cool, and then sometimes it's like, well, you're not quite there yet, but some of the things that it has created are really, really awesome. And the one thing, and let me know in the comments below, I don't know if you have this issue too. I don't know why, but some of these AI image creators, they have such trouble actually creating the words. If you have a really good way to prompt it to create better wording, let me know in the comments, because that's the one place where I find that it does kind of struggle. But maybe I just need to have better input, not sure. But anyway, this particular image creator is a lot of fun to use. I also use, like I said before, ChatGPT, but I find that the images inside of the Canva Dream Lab are way more robust, right? And so to start off, it actually has here where it says smart, and you can choose different filters for your image. So if you want to create something that's really unique and different, that has a specific look to it, you can select the filter from the get-go. But what I'm going to do, see, it even has pop art, which is super duper cool. So what I'm going to do is, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to create something from describing it from my brain to Canva's image creator. And so what I'm looking to do is I'm trying to create kind of like a little icon for my course, and I need it to kind of have like a cool, like a magnet, right? So I'm going to prompt it to create that image. So I want to create an image that depicts a magnet attracting your warm market. And what I'm afraid is that sometimes it takes you absolutely literally, but let's see what happens. So let me go ahead, get myself out of the way here and click on create. I want to create an image that depicts a magnet attracting your warm market, or warm market leads. I'll put that, warm market leads. Make it in vibrant colors and make it have a cartoon-like appearance. So that is where I'm starting. And that is like the picture that I have in my mind, kind of like a magnet that is attracting people. It's bold, colorful, like my brand colors, and it has kind of like a cartoonish appearance, as opposed to this is more like a realistic appearance. So I want to have more like a cartoonish appearance. So let's see what happens. So let's click on create, and let's see what happens. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. But it is a little weird though. Can we agree that it's a little weird the way that it thinks? Because I'm like, that doesn't look like a magnet to me, and that doesn't really look like a magnet to me, but the people are absolutely adorable, right? So now what I got to do is I got to go back and I have to kind of refine the description, right? I want to create an image that depicts a U-shaped. So maybe it's a U-shaped magnet. Okay? So let's try that. Okay, much better. Oh, I like this one. Actually, I like that one a lot. Okay, so here's the thing. So now this one's kind of interesting too. I just find it really entertaining. Like, what in the world is this AI thinking? Now, if you see how right over here it says attract warm market leads, like it doesn't know how to spell the words. Even if I spelled it correctly, it doesn't know how to like spell the words correctly. And I'm not sure how exactly to tweak that. But I do like this image a lot. So what I'm going to do is I am going to download this image because I think this image is really good. Okay. So I am going to keep that one and let's call it a horseshoe magnet and see if that, let's call it a horse, if I could spell it right, horseshoe shaped magnet. So let's do a horseshoe shaped magnet attracting warm market leads, make it in vibrant colors, and have it have a cartoon-like experience. Okay, look at this one. This is like, what are those things? Right? I mean, what I do like about it is that you can spin off from some of these images and create like color palettes, things like that. Like it gives you a lot of interesting ideas. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on create. This one's really good though. This one's a major contender. I'm just not completely sold on the shape. This shape is, look at this. Like why do they look like ice cream pops or little tater tots? Like I don't understand. And this, yeah, it's very, very interesting. But this one looks really, really good. I might end up just using that one because I love the little dollar signs inside of the coins. So I think it's really cool. So let's try to use the same exact description, but let's use one of the smart filters and see what it comes up with. Let's try bokeh to see what it comes up with. Ooh, that is pretty. Like this one's really nice. I actually like that one a lot. Right? So you could create some really cool graphics with this. So I can picture this like as a blog post, right? Like for if you're writing a blog post, you can have that as your thumbnail, or like if you have yeah, like any images on your website, or even like a website panel, you can adjust the transparency and use this as a background. This one's really pretty. I like this one a lot. I'm actually going to download it because I like the way it looks. So I might be able to use that for something. So let's try one more. Let's try pop art because I love pop art. And I'm going to see what it does as far as creating an image for pop art. But as you can see, it's a really cool creative process. The images are way more robust than ChatGPT. And this is really cool. Like you could create some really cool images with that. Like I can totally see that. See, this one looks really awesome. Professional warm market leads. So this right here could easily be a blog post thumbnail. Really, really cool. So let me know if you like this. I think it's such a cool new tool. It does take a little bit of finessing the wording and really like thinking about what are you trying to see? What do you want it to create? But it shortcuts a lot of the time on trying to find the exact image that you want for your marketing. And it helps you create stuff that you probably wouldn't have even imagine to look for yourself, which is one thing that I really, really love about it. So which image did you like the best? Leave your favorite in the comment section below. Which one should I use? I really like the horseshoe in this one and the coins in this one. So I might do some kind of like putting them together. I'm not sure yet, but I think it's really, really cool. All right, cool. I'm so happy now I have an image to work with. And as you can see, Canva is one of those tools that as digital marketers, if you're building an online business, you're going to find yourself using a lot. Canva is a total game changer when it comes to creating images for your brand. But if you really want to succeed online, what you need is a system that's designed to attract your ideal audience and position you to generate leads, sales, and signups even when you're not on your computer. And that's exactly why I created my Rising Stars Launchpad, which is a 5-day free video series packed with training on how to learn about personal branding, how to automate your business, and how to leverage systems that continue to generate lead, sales, and signups for you even when you're not around. So if that is something that you're interested in learning more about, then I highly encourage you to go to my website at risewithbarbie.com and sign up for the 5-day Rising Stars Launchpad. It's totally free, and you'll get 5 days of value-packed training that'll guide you through the process of building your personal brand so that you can grow your business online. All right, so I can't wait to see you inside of the Launchpad, and let me know what you are going to create, or if you see yourself creating anything with Canva's new AI image creator tool. Leave them in the comments right below. And for now, thank you so much for watching. This has been Barbie Figueroa, and I will see you on another video. Bye for now.